We're going to talk about vectors. The first thing we need to think about is, what does an arrow mean on a vector? Vector simply means both magnitude and direction. So if I were to take 4 steps, I could show this as 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps, 4 steps, or just call the whole thing 4 steps. Now in these, I've just done magnitude just to kind of show how that works, but let's put some direction with this to show how this can mean many different things. For example, the question might be, how far are you away from where you started after taking 4 steps? So if we look at this one, we would be 4 steps away from where we began. However, I could also take 2 steps to the right and back 2 steps to the left for a total of 4 steps, but I'm back where I started. So in essence, the resultant, or another way of saying it is how far away from where I began, would be 0 for 2 steps right, 2 steps left. Now, if we were to take 3 steps right and 1 step back, the resultant would be 2 steps away from where we started. Once we start going different directions, this can become a magnitude of many different things. For example, I could do 2 steps right, 1 step up, and 1 step to the left. So the resultant here would be, in essence, 1 over, 1 up, or 1 down, 1 back to get back to where I started. So in that case, because it's a triangle of 1 and 1, this is a 45-degree angle. This can become quite interesting because you can go left 1, down 1, right 1, down 1. I've taken 4 steps, but now I'm 2 steps away from where I started, due south. So maybe I'm going to put a big dot where I start, and you can see that I'm down 1, 2 steps from where I started. So the resultant here would be 2 down. Or if we were doing directions, north, east, west, south, maybe we hiked a mile west, a mile south, a mile to the east, and a mile then south, and we would be 2 miles from where we started. I hope this helps kind of get conceptualization of what